If you skip this video, you'll miss out on some must-have kitchen essentials that can make your daily kitchen tasks so much easier. They're not just super helpful, but also affordable, so you won't have to break the bank. Stick around until the end because every gadget is a hidden gem. First up, we have the collapsible cutting board. This multifunctional wonder can be used as a cutting board, a washing basket, or even a storage bin for fruits and vegetables. The integrated drain hole makes washing food easy, while the foldable design allows it to be stored away compactly when not in use. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it's safe for food preparation and incredibly durable. Whether you're cooking at home or camping, this gadget is an essential space saver. Next up, we have the kitchen cabinet hanging trash bin. Whether you're cooking or cleaning, this trash bin will make waste disposal more convenient. You can hang it on your cabinet door, place it on the countertop, or even use it in your car. Its collapsible design allows you to fold it away when not in use, freeing up valuable kitchen space. Made from sturdy plastic and silicone, it's durable enough for everyday use, and the foldable feature ensures it can easily fit into tight spaces. If you are looking to maximize your fridge space, the Joseph Fridge Undershelf storage drawer is here to help. This innovative gadget attaches under any standard fridge shelf, providing extra storage for smaller items like deli meats, cheeses, or snacks. The easy pull handle allows you to access items quickly, and the installation is a breeze thanks to the included suction cups. This drawer is perfect for organizing your fridge and making the most of every inch of space. This under-cabinet utensils holder is an excellent solution for organizing utensils and freeing up counter space. With its 360-degree rotating hooks, you can easily hang spoons, mugs, or even kitchen towels. The best part is that no drilling is required. Just slide it over a cabinet or pantry shelf and secure it in place with adhesive. Made from high-quality plastic, it can hold up to 2 kilograms of weight, making it sturdy enough for everyday kitchen items. We all know how plastic grocery bags tend to pile up and create a cluttered mess. The simple human wall-mounted grocery bag dispenser is a game-changer. This sleek gadget can hold up to 30 grocery bags in a compact, neat storage solution. With its easy access design, you can simply tuck your bags into the top and pull one out whenever you need it from the wide dispensing slot in the front. What's awesome is its brushed stainless steel finish that not only looks modern but is also super easy to clean. Next up is the electric arc lighter. Unlike regular lighters, it's rechargeable, so you'll never need to buy disposable lighters again. With one charge, it lasts for hundreds of uses. It features a windproof design, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, whether you're lighting candles, gas stoves, or heading out on a camping trip. It also comes with a safety lock to keep kids safe and an automatic shut-off to prevent overheating. The long, flexible neck makes it easy to light hard-to-reach areas while keeping your hands at a safe distance. Accurate measurements are crucial in cooking and baking, and this 16-piece measuring cups and spoons set delivers just that. The set includes 7 measuring cups, 7 spoons, a conversion chart, and a leveler for all your measurement needs. Each piece is made from durable stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust or bend over time. The clearly engraved measurements on each tool make it easy to read, even after countless washes. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting out, this set will ensure your recipes turn out perfectly every time. If you're looking to keep your sink area neat and tidy, the soap dispenser with sponge holder is a great choice. This gadget combines 2 essentials in one compact design, allowing you to dispense soap while keeping your sponge within easy reach. The easy pump dispenser ensures you get the right amount of soap each time, making dishwashing more efficient. Made from durable plastic, this holder is both sturdy and easy to clean, ensuring it lasts through heavy use. This silicone spoon rest is a small but mighty tool for keeping your kitchen tidy while you cook. It's designed to hold your spoons, whisk and spatulas, so you won't have to worry about dripping sauces or oils all over your countertops. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it can handle the heat from freshly used spoons or spatulas, and it's super easy to clean. Just pop it in the dishwasher. Last but definitely not least, the silicone stretch lids are a kitchen must-have for keeping your food fresh. These reusable lids are designed to stretch over bowls, jars, or cups, creating an airtight seal that keeps food fresher for longer. They're eco-friendly, helping you reduce your use of plastic wrap or aluminum foil. Available in various sizes, these dishwasher-safe lids are easy to clean and perfect for covering leftovers or prepping meals in advance. That wraps up our list of 10 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets. Be sure to check out the links in the description for all these amazing products, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews.